Conjugating Latin present tense verbs. Here is the chart with the Latin present tense endings and their English translations. On the left-hand side, we have all three persons, first, second, and third, and then on the top, we have singular and plural. In the boxes corresponding with the different persons, as well as singular or plural, the Latin translations / endings are there. So the Latin endings are O, S, T, mus, tis, nt, or nt. And their corresponding English translations are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. The first step to conjugating a present tense Latin verb is to find the verb in the dictionary. Here I have written down the forms of the verb gusto, which means to taste in English. We are going to conjugate this verb. The first step is to look at the first two principal parts, gusto and gustare. Because gusto ends with an O, gustare ends with an ARE, this is a first conjugation verb. So we will be conjugating it accordingly. First step is to write the first dictionary definition in the first singular box. Second step is to remove the RE ending off of the second principal part. Then you would write just the base in the remaining 5 boxes. After writing the bases, then you still have to add the Latin endings. So we would add OST, mus, tis, and nt to the bases we already written. You've officially conjugated this verb.